I think one of the big things is my father never told me I couldn't do it. I never went out in the garage and he said, oh, you're a girl, you can't do that. So I never put a glass ceiling in front of myself. I never told myself I couldn't do something. I always still have that feeling today, and I've taught my kids this: you can do anything you want and nothing can stop you but yourself.
I think that younger women today don't see the same barriers that we see or I saw. Although I was very fortunate to have a father who didn't think what I should be doing is cooking, sewing, and wearing white gloves. I actually was in the garage helping my father fix the car. He was way ahead of his time. But I think the messages that younger women that are looking at career, they're getting different messages that they can do anything. They're not limited, and so because jobs as technicians are so technology driven, it's not the greasy job that it once was.